channel. Today we're gonna draw lovebirds. Valentine's is coming, so it's nice to draw something cute for your parents or your friends. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, let's start with our bird here. So we're gonna draw a curved line. Bring it down. We want to draw the body first, so keep going and stop right there. From here, continue the line and try to meet the other line. And now we want to draw the tail. Can use 3 lines to draw the tail. Alright, we're going to do same thing over here. So we're going to start with the head. We're going to bring it down. From here, get up. Now we're going to connect the lines. And we're going to do 3 lines for the tail. Go back to the line, make it a little thicker from the bottom. Okay. Now we want to draw the beak of our bird. We're going to draw the triangle facing each other. Okay, now let's put our eyes, make a curve. They're closing their eyes. Okay, and now I like to draw the wing. For wing, I'm gonna do 1 line here, and then we're bringing curved lines for the wing. Same thing here. We do this, and we're gonna do curved lines for the wing. Alright, what I like to do, I like to draw the legs of our bird. I put 2 lines here, 2 lines here. And what I like to do, I like to draw a big heart, so it looks like they are sitting on the heart. So find the center. Okay, I'm gonna draw big curve here. Same thing for the other side. And I'm going to say, okay, from here I'm going to try to connect the lines to this point. Same thing for here. Connect the lines. Now I go back to my bird and I'm going to add 3 lines. Looks like our bird is sitting on top of the heart. And it looks like there are giving each other some love. So I can draw some hearts here and there, and I'd like to add some music. So let's draw some music notes. So let's draw a big circle and bring 1 line up. Same thing over here, bring the line. So this one needs to go a little higher, and let's connect. Over here I'm going to do same thing. I'm going to do music notes, so I'm going to draw a circle. Now I'm going to color it in black, bring 1 line up. Now bring 1 line down, make it a little curve, bring another line and make it curve. And for here I am going to do another line, a circle, 1 line here, same thing. And I'm going to make the line a little higher, and I'm going to connect this. And I'm going to connect these two together. Over here, I am only gonna do one circle, bring the line up and do one diagonal line and bring it down. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to my heart and I am going to draw a curved line here and bring it up, connect the lines. Later on, when I'm gonna add some color, this part looks like there's a shine to our heart. Okay, happy Valentine's. I know we have a few more days to get to Valentine, but we're gonna start drawing more and more and make it ready for our Valentine's Day. Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.